All right, what you have centered screen here is you got the crank pulley, you have a zip tie, you have a stretch belt. What you can't see on this side of the screen is the air conditioning compressor that the belt is wrapped around, basically a half of the pulley like it's supposed to be. Okay, how this process is supposed to work is with this zip tie holding the belt on here. As I rotate the engine clockwise, it's going to wrap the belt around the crank pulley. And how this is done is because there's no tensioner keeping the belt tight. So basically the belt is designed with basically zero tolerance, meaning once it's stretched and put up there, it should not fall off, will not fall off. So without trying to move this camera and interfere with this shot here, you see the compressor's here, the crank is there, and this belt is only for the AC compressor, which is driven by the crank. So once we rotate the crank that way, it's going to just wrap the belt around the section, the back section of the crank pulley there, and install the belt. So let me see if I can do this without interfering with this camera shot and angle. It's going to be somewhat difficult to do, but not impossible. Slip. This is the 18mm bolt. You're gonna need an 18mm socket. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this from this angle. And once you get the belt up there, please remove the crank. Please remove the zip tie. Okay. Let me stop talking and get myself together here. I'm actually looking at a better way to put this camera right here. I'm trying to balance my strength and pivot at the same time here, so I don't be basically set the tube here.